Come test drive the 2022 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. Come take a test drive today.